Wanna know how to fix PUBG Mobile's stuck on update screen? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can fix it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, there can be various ways your PUBG Mobile might get stuck on updating screen. So sometimes it could just be a minor bug. You can just simply restart your application, restart your device and try it again. So if it doesn't work, check your storage. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free storage. If you don't have enough storage, your updates won't be installed or it will just be stuck in updating screen. So next, you can just simply clear out PUBG's cache. So just simply hold on your PUBG Mobile application, head towards its app settings, and on the bottom right side you should see clear data. Just simply select it. Now select clear cache first up, and if it doesn't work, simply select clear all data. This will clear out all data and it might help. And that's it, super simple and easy. If it still doesn't work, simply delete the app and then reinstall it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.